whoa, guys, I think we found a name for our nation. Hey everybody, do you hear the people sing?
Sing the song of angry men. It is the music of the people who must be saved again.
So yeah, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Jordan from Jordan Comes Live Directly on YouTube. Thank you very much for coming back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Before we start, please subscribe and smash that like button. Guys, today's video is a little bit different. Let's get into it. Roll it!
That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Hey, what's going on everybody? What's happening? Alright, so this is a channel update. Yeah, what's happening? Guys, listen. So what's happening? What's happening? I have no idea what's going on. Alright, let's get into it. So, to be honest, the tragedy yesterday caught me off guard. And I really didn't know I didn't know what to feel, I didn't know what to do. So I had to post that video from yesterday. I'm sorry for changing the pace for you guys. But what you guys are getting here is like me as a human being. I don't know how to even act or like pretend to be something else. Like, that was how I felt, and I just had to tell you guys because you are important to me, and I find it amazing. You guys have no idea how amazing you are. Like the conversations and the that we have in the comments section are like unprecedented. Okay, it's like I found my brain soulmates or brainmates. Whoa, guys, I think we found a name for our nation. Hey brainmates, what's going on? You guys are brainmates now. What do you guys think about this? Brainmates, this is amazing. Brainmates. Oh, I can't. Oh my god, I can't. Yeah, oh my god, we just found the name for our nation here. Brainmates. It's fucking awesome. Anyway, moving on, alright? So, I'm here to tell you about the new schedule for the channel, because I literally have absolutely nothing else to do. I'm trying to find jobs, I'm trying to even work online, it's not working for me. So, I ended up just doing YouTube, alright? So, hey, I work for you guys right now. So from now on, I'm gonna start making 2 videos every day. Alright, so one video is going to be in the morning for you guys, like in the very morning, 5 a.m. So you guys wake up and find me in your face, and you can just watch me in the morning talking about mostly serious stuff. That's what's gonna happen in the morning. I'm gonna talk about serious topics like I don't know, relationships and history and like about like some like we'll just find out what is it. Like I've got like 15 videos from Matthew. Thank you for the donation, Matthew. And they're all like very rich cultural and like genetics kind of videos, and I love these kind of videos so much. So I'm gonna start making these videos every day in the morning for you guys, and then at night I'm gonna start doing like some light content, like the things we usually do, like comedy sketch and stuff like that. All right, and in the same time I'm gonna start making, at least like if I don't take Friday off, I'm gonna start making vlogs on Fridays. Okay, because I want to I want to actually give you myself, what I like to do. I don't want to just like focus on one thing and just do it over and over and over and over, because I get very tired and I get very bored, and it's not challenging my creative sense, I don't know, my creative ability. All right, so I'm gonna try new things, and I hope you guys like that too. Okay, but after all, what you get here on my channel is not only what you guys want me to do, what you guys want me to react to, it's also me as a human being. All right, I love you guys so much. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being with me on this amazing journey that I'm really enjoying. And you know, what do you guys think about our name? Do you think this is good, Brainmates? Comment in the description down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace the fuck out.
That's my best friend.